Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be spraying. I've noticed this in here, which is not a good thing. I've got some fungus, which is something you don't need in a greenhouse. See there? This is white fungus, powdery mildew. These are, because it's a small greenhouse, not much ventilation, which I'm going to sort out in the next few days. I'm going to put a fan in to help suck some of this moisture air out of here. Notice these, I took the lid off these lupins, which I'm not happy about, and there's a lot of fungus that you can just see there. So I'm going to try just what I normally use at adult plants, fungus fighter, and I'm going to spray it with this, a little experiment. Hopefully me and Monkey, is that right, Monkey? That's right, Paul. I want spraying near you, Monkey. You alright? I'll put your face mask on for you. So yeah, I'm going to give these a spray and hopefully that gets on top. If it kills them, it kills them. But I don't want to lose them all. But if I don't do anything, I think I will lose them all anyway. So yeah, I've got to spray those. I'm also going to spray these here, penstemons. This can suffer from it as well, so I'm going to spray those. And I've also got some delphiniums, which I got from, I think, Thompson & Morgan plug plants last year. They've been really neglected, but I'll give them a spray as well. Once all those have been sprayed, anything in here needs spraying. No, look alright. In here I shall spray. I've got two petunias there. I will give them a spray as well. I'll take them out now. Going to give them a spray. Here we go. Right, so what I've done, I've mixed up. It says 4 ml for a litre, so I mixed up 2 ml, half a litre, 500 millilitres. So I shall go back. This is stuff like fungus fighter concentrate. You get a lot out of that, 125 mils. So you only need a few mils per litre, so you can imagine how many you're going to get out of that. So first of all, give it a good shake. Let's give this a spray first. I'm hoping this is going to work alright. If it's working this at all. Right, that's it. I've changed the top on here. The last one wasn't working. I'm just going to give it a quick spray, like so. Just kill anything on the top there. Give these a spray as well now. These. Make sure I give them a really good soaking. I don't want any more to come back. If I keep it on top of it, if you let it go in a greenhouse, it will end up on all your plants that are susceptible to it, which is really not very good at all. These ones here, once I've sprayed everything, I shall get out of here. I don't want to be breathing this in. And then these here, those over there, these. And that should be about it, I think. Don't there's anything else that needs spraying. So that's all you need to do. See if there's anything on here. No, all that looks fine. So yeah, hopefully that's got on top of it. As you can see, I've only used probably a couple of 100 mils at the most. So that's just a little experiment. Just spray my lupins. Hopefully that will get on top of it. Fingers crossed. Please, I hope so. So yeah, if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Remember, as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching us. Please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.